Hello Cadillac fans, this is what I would call the final stretch. Getting this car ready for auction. It's been a big push and it's been the hottest day of the year, and it's over 40, which is a lot for the Great White North up here. And I'll show you what I've been doing. I got the back lower molding beneath the gas filler plate replaced and installed. I have the Brougham script put back on. I'm in the process now of putting in the last bumper filler. So that will be in hopefully within 10 minutes. It's actually very straightforward. In case you don't know, obviously it goes like this, like that, and that hole is for this trim piece. And then it's a matter of putting the brackets inside, which that's what gives it rigidity. Actually, it goes the other way, but you have that steel bracket for that. And I put on the original wire wheel covers, and my friend gave me actually these beautiful gold centers because they match the gold Cadillac so well. The light chestnut metallic. It's sets the car off very nice. And there's the lower quarter panel molding that was missing. I put that on as well. So I would say the car is almost complete now. But these are quite rare in my own personal experience, but I guess at least they're rare on the 80s Cadillacs. Might have come out in the 90s, I'm told. But the gold centers are very nice. And these are the original wheel covers. They're super beautiful. And basically hardly, if any, curb rash at all. But those centers, I'm almost on the fence about selling it with the car just because I haven't really seen many of them. But I think it suits this car very well and it might help sell it. So no expense spared, no cutting corners on this build. Now that all my builds are done properly, and that's why they come out so nice, because everything is done properly and authentically. Right from the stitching on the new vinyl roof to the right fillers, the new vinyl roof, excuse me, the new headliner, I mean. All these things are being done in the correct Cadillac paint code for the paint. So give me the rest of tonight and probably tomorrow to detail the engine, and I think I might call it done. So, because Hamming is on my backside to get the final photographs, but I got to finish the car if I can do that. So thank you all for watching. Have a great weekend. It's hotter than blazes up here, and I'll see you down the road.